Statement first one means assertion. If aluminium atom replaces a few silicon atoms in three-dimensional network of silicon dioxide, the overall structure acquires a negative charge. This is correct actually. If you know silicon structure or silica structure, Si bonded to oxygen in four directions in this manner, replace, valency of silicon is 4, and suppose you replace it by aluminium valency is 3. So if you replace it by aluminium, first valency, second valency, third valency is satisfied, and here oxygen contains electron that is freely available to the entire bulk. It means that if aluminium atom replace few silicon atoms in three-dimensional network of silicon dioxide, overall structure acquires negative charge. Correct. Aluminium is a trivalent while silicon is a tetravalent. This is correct. Aluminium belongs to 13th group, silicon belongs to 14th group, and hence the entire bulk it possesses negative charge. Therefore, both assertion and reason or statement 1 and 2, these are correct, and the second statement is the correct explanation for the first one, means answer is option first.